Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Edge 540. Let's start by powering on your device and completing the initial setup. You'll want to select your language, units of measurement, and rider profile. Next, pair your essential sensors like a heart rate monitor or speed and cadence sensors. Finally, customize your data screens to display the metrics most important to you, ensuring you have all the information you need right at your fingertips for your first ride. Navigating with your Edge 540 is straightforward. You can load routes created in Garmin Connect or other platforms directly onto the device. Once loaded, select your course and follow the clear turn-by-turn directions. The map screen provides excellent detail, showing upcoming turns, elevation profiles, and points of interest. This ensures you stay on track and confidently explore new roads or trails, making every ride an adventure. The Edge 540 is a powerful training tool. It tracks numerous performance metrics, from power output to heart rate zones, helping you understand your efforts. You can set up structured workouts directly on the device or follow preloaded ones. Utilize features like Climb Pro to see upcoming climbs and their gradients, helping you pace yourself effectively. After your ride, review detailed data to analyze your performance and track your progress over time. To get the most from your device, connect it to Garmin Connect for automatic ride uploads and software updates. Regular updates ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. Maximize your battery life, which can last up to 26 hours in GPS mode, by adjusting screen brightness and disabling unnecessary features. Keep your Edge 540 clean and protected from extreme conditions to ensure its longevity and reliable performance for many rides to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.